at Sugba Lagoon, Siargao, Philippines. Ang ganda, majestic place talaga, guys. Wow.
Pwede dire ang mag-overnight mo?
Pwede pag mata nimo daghan ng buaya imong tapad.
Morning ma'am, good morning sir. Welcome to Sugba Lagoon, mabuhay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Kupod, welcome to Sugba Lagoon, mabuhay. So, this is it, guys. Sugba Lagoon. Yeah. An amazing place for swimming, jumping, diving, or kayaking, paddling. Yeah, you can do whatever you want to do here. Or you can just sit down and relax and enjoy the beautiful scenery here. Diba? Sobrang ganda dito. And to make this trip worth it, I have to try that 15 feet high diving. Yeah, so let's go!
Tara na!
Go, go, go!
Tara na!
Padul pa, padul pa, padul! Patumoy yun! Sige, sige! Oh! Go!
You can do it, Kara! 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 Yay! Hey, Allah!
Very cool! Cool! Bye, problem!
Yeah, just jump straight off.
Jump, jump!
Yay!
Oh!
Okay, go!
Go!
1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
Kaya lagi. Go! Kaya ganin ako, go! Yay!
Alina, alina.
Anad man.
Naingana day dito.
Okay, go. Kaya ba ng dalawang tao dyan?
Taas talaga! Taas mo! Babalik nyo! Babalik nyo ito! Ay! Okay na! Ano, dumiritso na!
Maganda yung view pag binigyan. Hindi naka-video pa si ate. Okay lang. Hello everyone! So that's our Sugba Lagoon experience. Yes, it was an amazing experience because the lagoon itself is a breathtaking, majestic place and it has a very cool jumping diving platform. And it's definitely worth the money we pay for the boat ride and entrance fee. It cost us 2,500 pesos on top of our van renting expenses. Yeah, which is 5,000 pesos for the whole day land tour. For 7 people naman. So we're here now, back in the pier terminal, and we will now go to our next destination.